Hey, this is Tom with Peace of Mind Property Management, and today I want to talk to you about some spring maintenance tips that are going to help you out, okay? So the first one that I like, and this is it mainly if you're a property owner, well, and also if it's a resident, is that you get your HVAC unit, your air conditioning unit, you get it serviced. So this means they do a quick service of your HVAC unit. That means we're maybe cleaning some coils, we're looking at it, we're gonna have that thing running efficiently, because the last thing we want is our HVAC unit to go out in the middle of the summer or for it to be inefficient. So it's costing more money than it should because it's just an inefficient unit. So let's get that thing humming right now while we can get ahead of it. That's gonna be a lot. So we have a HVAC maintenance program that we can do, a preventive maintenance of a lot of property managers, well, very few property managers have it, but we have one. So we can get you a good deal on that. The second thing that you need to do is, this is for your enjoyment. So this is a great time to enjoy the great weather. Let's get some plants out there. It's a great time to have a little garden. So get that done. Also, winter is gone. Let's pick up the leaves. Let's clean the gutters. Yeah, the gutters, clean gutters really help out a lot. Get the gutters clean. Get your lawn maintenance ready to go. It's a great time to get your sprinkler system. If you have a sprinkler system, let's get that thing honed in. Make sure there's not any leaks so we can get that grass growing as well. So if you have any more questions, there's a few other things you can do. I love talking about, some upgrades you can do with your house, but it's a great time to enjoy some great weather. Get out, enjoy the great weather, get ready for the summertime. So let's get everything prepared right now for the summertime. And also if you're looking to sell your home too, it's a great time to get it all prepped up where you can put it on the market so you hit that summer season with your home on the market too. So if you have any more questions, especially with property management, Peace of Mind's here for you. Give us a call. We'd love to help you out, and we love to talk about property management. Thanks.